Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's we will discuss about how to download and install Brave browser. So let's move to the video. So firstly you have to just open any browser. As you can see I have opened Google Chrome. So what you have to do, you have to just type download Brave browser here, and you have to just go to the first link of official Brave. So when you click on it you will see the display has been broken. So what you have to do, you have to close it, and then you have to just open this VPN. So again you have to just type download Brave browser and click enter, and now you have to just click here on this first official website. So you can see it is now opening fine. So what you have to do, you have to just click on get Brave for Windows. So you have to just click on it, and then it will start automatically. If your download did not start automatically, you should have to click here. So as you can see it has been completed. So what I have to do, I have to just click on here, and then I have to install it into my system. Click on yes, then it will be installed in your system. So as you can see I have already installed it. So what you have to do, you have to just, after installing, first downloading, then installing, then you have to open it up, and you can also set Brave as your default browser as well. So you can now use it at your earliest convenience. Thank you. If you like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel.